good process actually. We don't feel any uncomfort, so everything went smooth.
We're very happy to be one of the owner of a flat over here. No doubt in that. To be here, it's nice. Very happy, and as it is being only 129 units, we feel it is quite a very good atmosphere for us.
Actually, I like to appreciate the marketing team. Their way of expressing their product, it was nice. Overall, we are satisfied. So technically speaking, there is no wall sharing between two houses. So that is a major point in RWD. Yeah. So individuality in a common community. So that is the main point in RWD.
So I didn't see any apartment that the swimming pool is available there in the main area actually. So that is the highlight here in RWD, Lemongrass. The main highlight is RWD is so all projects are in the main area, so that is very feasible for everyone.
Thank you so much for giving a very good flat. I was much impressed with the salesperson and the work which was going on at that time, because early morning 5 o'clock, none of the construction will be happening. So that is the most impressive one.
My experience with RWD, they are a reputed builder, so I thought like I would go with the decision of purchasing a home from RWD.
Plan wise nalla than is apartment, so I impressed at first book part.
It was so comfortable when we came in and we saw. So that's it. Like
I didn't expect that this much quality and build RW is providing. So when I look at the apartment, the spacious and whatever the features they are giving, it's amazing. So I would like to thank whole RW team to make this my first home amazing.
Construction, I say the construction quality is good, so I just looked at it.
So this was the thing which was connected Vastu-wise. Second thing is the hospitality given by you is very awesome. You just treated us before buying an apartment, and after buying the apartment, the treatment was same. You did not change your mode of swings or anything. Your terms and conditions was very nice. Literally, I am happy to have a gated community apartment inside this locality, because to be frank, not as a owner of this community I am saying, as a person who did a research, I am saying this is the best created community in this locality.
So much happy with that by purchasing this flat. They are very much cooperative.
ரெண்டு அப்பார்ட்மெண்ட் அந்த அப்பார்ட்மெண்ட் பார்த்தேன். அதை காட்டிலும் இது மாடல்ஸ் நல்லா இருக்குது, ஹெல்த்தாக இருக்குது, ஆக்சிஜன் எல்லாமே நல்லா இதாக இருக்குது. அதனால் ஃபாரின் டைப்பில் இருக்குது.
My experience about RWD Lemongrass was fantastic actually.
I first visited this flat only. So after that visiting here, I started to visit more than 50 flats. But what happened, what miracle, what RW did, I don't know. But it doesn't like any flats outside.
it's been predominantly pleasant. Thank the owners for giving us a beautiful residence to live in.
RWD எனக்கு தெரியும், பட் அவங்க ஆல்ரெடி இதில் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. நெல்சன் மாணிக்கம் ரோடு இருக்குல்ல.
ஆர்கிடெக்ட் வைஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பில்டிங் நல்ல ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரக்சரு. Just happy about it, that's it.
நல்லா இருக்கு. Okay.
We are happy to be the part of RWD, LG family. RWD stands for greatness, that's it.
Everything is too good, and the weather and RWD support.
Since the size was also only 120 houses, we thought okay, this would be better for us.
Very happy to be part of this RWD Lemongrass family. We have a reputed builder, so we don't have to worry about other things. So and like as expected, everything has been completed.
ப்ரௌஸ் பண்ணி பார்த்தேன். கொஞ்சம் ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ்லாம் மெயினான பிளேசஸ்லாம் இருக்குது. ஸோ சரி நல்லாயிருக்கும். ஆல்ரெடி கொஞ்சம் ரெப்யூட்டடாக இருக்குது ஹைதராபாத் அண்ட் பெங்களூர். இருந்தாலும் குவாலிட்டி வைஸ் அவுட்புட் நல்லா வந்திருக்கு. ஸோ ஹாப்பி அபவுட் இட்.
Happy with the location, of course. Choice of the location and the facilities nearby. I've been around this place for quite some time now, so I'm very well aware of the location and all that. That's why I decided about buying a property here, and it was like RWD being the brand. I thought I'll go with that. That's the primary reason.
I'm very happy to be a part of this RWD family. I'm very happy with this apartment, happy with the builder.
ஸ்பேஷியஸாக இருக்குது, வெளிச்சமாக இருக்குது, நல்லா இருக்குது.
We trust RWD. The same will be happen. Quality of construction கொஞ்சம் நல்லா பிடிச்சிருந்தது. உள்ள அப்போ டெவலப் பண்ணி இந்த ஸ்டேஜ். பிராண்டிங் நேம் வந்து அவங்க காப்பாற்றுவாங்கன்ற ட்ரஸ்ட் ஃபேக்டர் தான். ஐ மீன் லாஸ்ட் இப்போ வந்து பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னாக்கா உள்ளே வந்து 1 month 2 months தான் ஆகுது. ஸோ இவங்களோட ட்ராவல் வந்து கடைசி வரைக்கும் எங்களுக்கு இருக்கும், சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க அப்படின்ற பிராண்டிங் நேம், ட்ரஸ்ட் ஃபேக்டர், தட்ஸ் இட்.
ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்குது.
What I like from RWD is that it is a very spacious one actually. Compared to the other projects, if you see, it was very spacious and it was as per our expectations also. And the Vastu, it's been considered as well. And that is one of the reason, we thought yes, we should take this project.
We are lucky enough to have it in the main road itself and nearby our own place.
Seeing the model also, we liked it very much.
And I have a good feeling that they are always a step ahead with starting the project and completing the project on time.
We are just happy. We are satisfied.
நிறைய பக்கத்துலலாம் பார்த்தேன், எதுவுமே பிடிக்கல. இது ஓகே, இந்த கம்பெனி நல்ல கம்பெனி. நான் கூகுள் இதில் போய் பார்த்தேன், பார்த்தா நல்ல கம்பெனின்னு தெரிஞ்சுட்டு அதனால் செலக்ட் பண்ணிட்டேன். இந்த பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிறதோட இங்கே ஸ்விம்மிங் பூலு, கிளப் பஸ் எல்லாமே இருக்குது. மற்ற பக்கத்துலலாம் இல்லை எதுவுமே. அந்த டூகர் வேறு ப்ராப்ளம் ஆகிடுச்சு இல்லையா, அதனால் நம்மளுக்கு ஓகே கம்பெனியை நான் பார்த்தேன், எல்லாமே விசாரித்தேன் நிறைய பேர்ட்ட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்கிட்ட எல்லாம். குட் கம்பெனின்னு அதனால் செலக்ட் பண்ணேன்.
I know very well about this project. Already I seen in Google, searching Google one day, one fine morning, and I will come to ask.
And any favorite part about like RWD house? Anything that you made you feel this is my home?
So, I mean, talking about only me, that I have had very less problems in getting the building handed over. So, very minimal, communication. They took care of everything in a good way.
The RWD is a good builder.
Actually, I've been following the Ramki developers in Hyderabad. So I got to know that there have been some joint venture with Vavu developers. So that's the reason I chose RWD.
The RWD is a good builder, and they are here for past 15 years on this field. And their overall experience of this RWD and the other things and all, I got the feedback, good feedback from my friends and relatives.
I checked with my friend, one of my friends working in Hyderabad. So he know very well about the RWD. He recommended me.
I was actually in Hyderabad for quite some time, so up I got to know a bit of about RWD.
Hyderabad is famous for RWD. In these surroundings, for affordable price, I think we thought this is the best thing.
So இந்த இடத்துல RWD தான் அந்த எல்லா ஃபெசிலிட்டி இருக்க மாதிரி
எங்களுக்கு ஒரு ஃபீலிங், மற்றது எப்படி தெரியல.